A virus is a microscopic infectious agent that can only reproduce through a host. To be exact, it replicates only inside the cells of a living organism. Viruses are about 1/1,000,000th of an inch long. They are too small that most of them can only be seen using an electron microscope. A virus particle, also called virion, is made up of a viral genome or genetic material, either DNA or RNA, single or double-stranded, linear or circular, and vary in length and in the number of DNA or RNA molecules. This genetic material is covered with a protein shell called a capsid. Some viruses have an extra spiky layer enclosing the capsid called an envelope. The virion can survive in the environment for a certain period. Some viruses can stay for less than an hour, like rhinovirus for common cold. Some can last for days, like the coronavirus, and some could last for weeks. But it's important to know that some viruses lose their power if they stayed without a host for a long time. So getting infected from a host is more likely to be severe than that of a surface. Once the virus finds the proper host, it can get inside through the nose, mouth, or breaks in the skin. It then attaches to the host cell and injects its genome inside. The injected genetic material takes over the host cell enzymes. The enzymes start to replicate genetic materials, creating virus particles. Then they start to assemble, creating a new virus that can break free from the host cell and destroy it, then start attacking other cells. This process is known as Lytic Cycle. The immune system starts responding to this infection, and while doing so, it produces a chemical called Pyrogen that increases body temperature, which helps slowing down the rate of reproduction of the virus. To protect yourself and others from getting infected, or at least reduce the probability of it, cover your mouth on sneezing or coughing. Always wash your hands. Avoid direct contact with other infected people. Stay safe. Subscribe for more videos. Turn on post notification, like the video if you do. Thanks for watching.